Lavender is not just a beautiful plant, it's a powerful ally in environmental restoration. This hardy herb thrives in poor, well-drained soils, making it ideal for rehabilitating degraded landscapes. Its deep roots help stabilize soil, preventing erosion and promoting healthy habitats. Lavender attracts crucial pollinators like bees and butterflies, boosting biodiversity. Furthermore, it releases beneficial compounds into the soil, enhancing nutrient levels and improving soil structure. In arid regions, lavender's water-efficient nature makes it a sustainable choice for restoring ecosystems. By cultivating lavender, we can support environmental health and promote sustainable farming practices.